Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you a Python program that I wrote with the help of ChatGPT that basically generates a PowerPoint presentation with content and images uh, by using two APIs. The number one API is OpenAI API for generating the content, and the second API is uh, from a platform called Dezgo. It's powered by stable diffusion. Uh, so I got their API. It's a paid one, so I'm using that. So that is only to generate the images. So combining both, this program generates the PowerPoint presentation. So let's give it a shot. Let's run it and see how it goes. Okay, so there you go. Screen, run that. 7 steps to make money online. Okay, something of that sort. So let's give it a try. It will display the content on the screen, not the images, just the content from OpenAI. There you go. It started giving the introduction, and step 1, step 2, step 3. So it's going to give 7 steps because we asked for 7 steps. So once it's done, then the file, the presentation PPT file will be in the local folder, and I'll open it and show it to you. Almost done. Takes less than a minute, depending on the size of the content. Almost done. There you go, it's done. So go back to my folder here and refresh. There you go, 7 steps to make money online, and that. Okay, so what it does is it puts this image here that we have to adjust because we don't know how big we want that. So it's okay if it comes anywhere. So we go to the second page, it does that as well. So you can put it right here, and then we can just drag it here, put it right there, and we can do that as well. So once we do all that, then we can just create a slideshow, and we can, you can see that your PPT is ready with images. If you want to beautify it by adding more content or more images, or that's totally, up to us. But as a basic PPT with content, images within 1 minute, I think it's perfect. I think we've come to that page where we didn't modify, so we can do that as well. Right, so this hour. One more thing that the program was doing, and it's kind of sometimes messing up, is I wanted this title, is identify your niche, should be coming here on the title. It has done it a few times, sometimes it hasn't done. I think it's because of the format of the content that's coming from OpenAI. If the format is consistent, then programmatically we can move it there. Because it's not consistent, it's sometimes showing up in the title, sometimes not. But it's not a big deal. You can always take this, take this part and basically remove it here, and that becomes your, and you get rid of that. So a little bit of tweaking, but you still, imagine if you have 100 pages, so you don't really, if there are 100 slides, you don't really have to spend a lot of time writing your own stuff and putting the images and putting the bullet points and all that stuff. So this is fantastic. Let's do one more with lesser points. Let's see what it does. Okay, so let's save this. Go back to my prompt again. So let's run it again. So 3 steps to lose belly fat. Right? Okay. Let's see what it does. Sometimes when the content is shorter, I can see the title being displayed properly. Okay, so here there is an issue. Right, okay, it's working. Fine. Let's see. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Additional tips. Q&A. Conclusion. And it should be done. Thank you. Thank you note as well. There you go. So go back to the guide and okay, 3 steps to lose belly fat. Well, this time it has put the numbers on the title. This is quite strange because in the program I was saying that take the first line and treat it as the title. So that's the reason why this is going there. So there is some work that needs to be done, but it still, saves you a lot of time. So this looks good. This will do for a quick presentation if you have to do for someone and you don't have time. You can, really do it very quickly, move it right there. And there you go. 3 steps to lose belly fat. There you go. I think this is fantastic. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you like watching this kind of videos, do like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I got up this morning and I worked on the same PowerPoint Python program a bit more, although there's still a few things to fix, but let's see how it looks now. Okay, so let's run the program. Change the program name. So let me so that's the program that we have to run. Let's say 5 highest buildings in the world. What I've done is I have, in the last same video, but yesterday you saw that when I ran the program, it was putting an image on the slide. What I've done now is I have covered the entire slide on, entire image on the slide so that it covers the entire slide and the text comes on top of that. So the only problem I'm now facing is I'm unable to change the color of the text to something that stands out. I tried ChatGPT, Google Bard, and all different sources to figure out how to do it programmatically. I haven't come across anything yet. So yeah, file is ready. So let's go and there you go, 5 highest buildings in the world. There you go. So here you can see that Let's run the slideshow. You can see that it has covered, the image has been covered on the slide, and the text is a bit dull, so I wanted this to be either white or something so it stands out. So that's the next thing I have to do. So Burj Khalifa, well, the buildings are not exactly the way they are in real life, but that's ChatGPT for you. I mean, not ChatGPT, but any AI content generation tool is never accurate, right? So Shanghai Towers, Abraj Al Bayt Clock Tower, Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and a bunch of other. Okay, so this is in South Korea. Okay, conclusion, question answers, acknowledgements. There you go. So it's looking a bit more colorful after it, covers the entire slide. The only issue is uh, with the text that has to be visible to the reader, right? So let's run it again. And if you notice that this time the titles are coming perfectly. Earlier the titles were not coming here. Now we are getting the titles on the top. So that fix has been done. So if I can just change the color of the text, then we are pretty much done. Hope you like this. Give it a like, subscribe, and just let me know in the comments if you'd like to see similar kind of programming outputs or something else that you have in your mind. Okay, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.